The wealthiest people you know are not working harder than you. They stopped a long time ago. Not because they found a secret, not because they got lucky, but because at some point they made a decision that most people never make. They decided to stop selling their time and start building something that sells without them. That decision is what separates someone earning $2,000 a month while unconscious from someone who has been looking into passive income for 3 years and still has nothing to show for it. The real reason most passive income attempts fail has nothing to do with effort. It's architecture. Here's what they don't tell you about making money while you sleep. The people profiting most from that phrase are not the ones sleeping. They are the ones selling the course about sleeping. And that's worth sitting with for a moment. Because the finance content ecosystem has a structural problem. The loudest voices in the passive income conversation have every incentive to make the entry point sound effortless, and every incentive to hide what the first 12 months actually look like. Confusion is profitable. Clarity is not. So before anything else, this video has a position. The lazy framing is a trap. Not because passive income isn't real. It is real. It is documented. And the mechanics behind it are genuinely accessible. The trap is the word lazy. Because every income stream that eventually runs without you required a period when it ran on you. What changes is not the work. What changes is when the work happens. The wealthy don't earn more per hour. They stop trading hours entirely. That's the frame. Hold on to it. Now, what most people get wrong about passive income is that they treat it as a single category. They don't distinguish between income that is automated, income that is leveraged, and income that is residual. These are 3 different things with 3 different timelines and 3 different failure modes. Automated income is a system you built that now runs on its own. A digital product, a tool, a workflow. You made it once. It sells while you're asleep. The failure mode here is distribution. Most people build the product and skip the audience. A digital product with no audience is not passive income. It's an expensive hobby. Leveraged income is money working in your place. Dividend stocks, index funds with reinvested returns, real estate generating rent. The failure mode here is impatience. Leverage compounds. Compounding is slow at first, and then it isn't. The people who drop out of leveraged income almost always do it in the window, right before the math starts to feel real. And then there's residual income, royalties, licensing, content that monetizes long after creation. The failure mode here is assuming that what got made will stay relevant. Residual income decays. The system requires maintenance even if it doesn't require presence. If you have been trying to build passive income and it hasn't worked, the honest question to ask is not, am I working hard enough? It's which failure mode am I currently inside? Stop here for a second. You are probably running through your own situation right now, placing yourself in one of those 3 categories. That's the right instinct. Stay with it. Because what I'm about to say in the next few minutes is the part most finance content deliberately skips. The hidden connection between passive income and financial freedom that nobody talks about is this. The fastest path to making money while you sleep is not finding the right vehicle. It's eliminating the financial drag that makes the passive income math impossible to reach. Most people trying to build passive income are simultaneously carrying debt that costs more in interest than any dividend portfolio at their current investment level could produce. The math doesn't work in their favor. Not because passive income is fake, but because they're trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. The sequence matters. Debt with high interest is a negative passive income stream. It runs continuously, charges you while you sleep, and compounds against you with the same relentless arithmetic that index funds compound for you. Before building passive income, the question is whether any existing system is already running in reverse. This is not a willpower failure. This is not a motivation problem. It is a sequencing problem. The system is pulling in 2 directions simultaneously, and the person in the middle is wondering why they aren't moving. At approximately this point, someone watching is going to think, this sounds like he's saying passive income is only for people who already have money. That's a fair objection. It's worth naming directly. Because there is a version of this argument that leads somewhere genuinely discouraging, and that's not where the evidence points. The documented reality is that the lowest barrier passive income entry points, the content monetization, digital products, affiliate structures, require almost no capital. What they require is time upfront and distribution. Distribution is an audience. An audience is built by showing up consistently before the income arrives. The sequence again. Not capital first, consistency first, then audience, then monetization, then the version that runs without you. The people who succeed at passive income almost universally describe the same thing when they look back. A period that did not feel passive at all. A period of building before the building started to pay them. What they are describing is front-loaded work that converts into back-loaded income. That conversion is real. The timeline is longer than the people selling the lifestyle aesthetic will ever tell you. Here is the thing you will want to save this video for. The single most counterintuitive fact about passive income, the one that changes how every other piece of advice in this space lands, is that the systems most likely to generate real, durable income while you sleep are almost never the ones being loudly advertised as passive income. High-yield savings accounts, index funds with dividend reinvestment, royalty structures from creative work, and productized services with delivery systems. These are quieter. They are less marketable. They do not have a lifestyle attached to them. They do not photograph well. And they work at a significantly higher rate than dropshipping, print-on-demand, and crypto yield strategies that dominate the search results when someone types in exactly the phrase in this video's title. The system being sold most aggressively is almost never the system performing most reliably. That is not a coincidence. That is a business model. People who genuinely generate significant passive income share one characteristic that almost no one talks about. They are boring about it. They don't post the laptop on the beach. They don't sell the method. They quietly reinvest. They increase the position. They let the compounding run. The absence of performance is, itself, part of the strategy. If you have spent time in passive income content and noticed that the most visible people in that space seem to be generating income primarily by teaching passive income, you noticed something real. That doesn't make passive income a myth. It makes the content ecosystem around it a mirror. And what that mirror shows you is not how to make money while you sleep. It shows you how to make money from people who want to make money while they sleep. One of those is a business model. The other one is financial infrastructure. You are here for the second one, which means you are already in the minority. This channel does not make the complicated version sound simple so it's easier to sell. If that's what you're looking for, there are a few thousand other options in the sidebar. This channel tells you what the math actually says and lets you decide what to do with it. If that's useful to you, subscribing takes 3 seconds and costs you nothing. The unresolved question this video raises, and doesn't answer, is the one worth carrying out of here. If passive income systems are genuinely accessible and the mechanics are documented and the evidence is solid, why do fewer than 3% of people who attempt them ever reach $1,000 a month in passive income? That question has an answer. It is uncomfortable, and it is the subject of the next video on this channel. Share this one with the specific person in your life who has been looking into passive income for years and still hasn't built anything. Not because they lack information. That's not the problem. One question before you go. Think about the passive income attempt you started and didn't finish, or the one you have been planning to start and haven't. What stopped you? Not what you told yourself stopped you. What actually stopped you? Write it in the comments, because the patterns in that answer are where the next 6 videos on this channel are coming from.